Security forces and law enforcement agencies in Manipur displayed a large cache of 1,422 arms, 7,010 rounds of ammunition and 1,137 explosives recovered across the state between February 5 and August 11. Speaking at the display in Imphal, the Manipur DGP said 1,570 joint operations were conducted during the period, leading to the arrest of 491 extremists. He said around 1,450 weapons had been recovered since the formation of the present government, including nearly 85% of the arms looted from police armories. The DGP said the security situation had improved significantly, with violence and arson incidents declining. He also highlighted the government's surrender policy and urged insurgent groups to lay down their arms and return to the mainstream. On the entire narcotics drive, he said that security agencies destroyed 692 acres of poppy cultivation, registered 158 cases and arrested 223 people. He added that security arrangements also facilitated the movement of around 16,500 loaded trucks carrying essential commodities along the national highway.
There is a considerable improvement in the situation in terms of overall incidents of either fire or arsoning or killing. So they have gone down substantially. Our effort is on under the guidance and able leadership of our Chief Minister and the Home Minister. We are striving to bring peace to Manipur, and we have made substantial progress. We will keep working hard to ensure that peace prevails in Manipur.
Sir, according to your assessment, sir,
after this present government formation, about 1,450 weapons have been recovered. We have almost recovered 85% of the arms which were taken away from the police armories, and the efforts are on to bring the rest of the weapons back.
The Chief Minister Imran Khan have made a statement that to surrender arms within 15 days. So, will you assure people of Manipur that no case will be registered within these 15 days?
And message to the CM has already given a statement regarding surrender and surrender of arms and surrender of militants. I hope all the extremist and insurgent outfits come out and surrender as per the appeal of the Honorable Chief Minister.
Sir, about the extortion-related element, particularly in highway, how far the situation?
Extortion activities have been controlled.